Hello, I'm Dr. Monty Hayes. Today's lesson is for Kirkwood's Technical Writing and Reading course, and today we're going to talk about tone. Perhaps when you were a child, an adult told you to mind your tone. Well, as a critical reader, we want you to mind the tone of the things that you read, also the things that you write. You already do this. You already think about your audience and adjust your word choice to the audience. For example, you might use a swear word if you're at home and you hit your thumb with a hammer and the only person around is your partner. Whereas if you realize that you had a hangnail, not that that's a big deal necessarily provoke that kind of response, in a business meeting, you're not going to use that same vocabulary. You're already adjusting your tone to your audience. Tone and word choice go hand in hand. So think about it. If I am speaking to a friend, I might say, I am so sick of this heat and humidity. I just want it to be way over come October. That's one tone. If I am speaking to a classroom full of students, I'll usually use a more formal tone. Maybe not something altogether serious because I want to be personable, but something a little, I'm not going to say weigh this, right? And I'm not going to be quite as vehement. If you look at a lot of websites and you think about the audiences, if the website is for people who already share a point of view, I'm going to be a little bit more fervent in my tone. Look at a college athletic department website, right? Go Hawks, we might get. Go Eagles. If we get something that's for a general audience, it's not going to have that same kind of enthusiasm in terms of the phrasing and the word choice. So when you're looking at a piece of writing, in particular a piece of nonfiction writing, look at its tone, look at its word choice, and think about what that might tell you about its audience and how different readers will respond.